Right? You know, pre-internet life. One time you had to be outside because that's where everybody was. The internet wasn't a cool place to be, you know. Brother, in 2005, you couldn't tell somebody say you meet your girlfriend online, you know.
It's so like a creep.
It's a man you're there with, bro. Like, what you mean? Like, bro, that's not a real person. That's somebody that's going to steal your entire identity and stick a kid in the middle of Wisconsin somewhere.
Welcome to the Dale Elliott Podcast. I am your host, Dale Elliott, and I'm here with my co-host, Crooks.
Surprise them with a bang bang, left them with a bing bing. Everything we sing is a it ting ting. Don't go Franklin, right, bang, dim. Hey, make like and share and
Surprise
comment
them
on.
with a bang. Hey, people, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. If you're new, welcome.
Welcome to the vibes, Alton Dean.
I haven't said that in a while. Damn. Me haven't said Alton Dean in a while. Oh, me not have no merch. Oh.
See? I mean, yeah. Oh,
Me not gonna make. Hey, people, get a son of an immigrant hat, you know. I think I look very.
You look extremely Chance the Rapper right now. You look like.
You don't wanna problem with me.
You look very
You
like.
don't wanna problem with me.
You look very much like you have an experimental hip hop album to
What me I gonna try out?
to let people hear that you can't wait for to share with the world.
No, that's not
No.
what I'm on.
No, no.
So yo, Shannon Sharp.
Yeah,
I meet a very big sports person.
yeah.
Sorry, people. One of my tired for hearing. He settled
Yes, with the whole allegations.
and
that-
him get the money.
Yeah,
Him have to pay a outer thing.
yeah.
And the guy named Tony Bugsby
That's that crazy lawyer that was like,
that goes for everybody who's
Yo,
involved
he's
in
like-
anything like that.
Tony Bugsby gotta be like Saul from Better Call Saul. You ever watch Better Call Saul?
No, I think that's a terrible comparison.
Why?
Tony Bugsby go after rich men
Yeah.
where
When I say like Better Call Saul, in the sense of
Better Call Saul is like the people them will represent like somebody will beat Tony Busby would have be a Better Call Saul.
true,
Or like
in a way.
Young NBA young boy lawyer is a Better Call Saul.
Okay.
Young
okay.
thug, Brian Steele.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Them man,
You're
they are
right.
Better
You're
Call
right.
Saul.
You're right. You're right. You're right. You're
Tony
right. You're right.
Bugsby is like Rudy Giuliani. For those who don't know who Rudy Giuliani is the prosecutor that basically took down the mafia.
While reportedly being heavily connected
To the mafia.
to the mafia.
Well, me don't know about that, but probably you know what that is.
So them, rumors them spreading.
Yeah, we're all
Claims
learning.
here.
You know. We're all learning here.
Yeah, we're all learning.
We're all
you know
learning
what I
here.
mean?
Aren't you hot? I'm hot.
Yeah, it is kind of.
It's very hot here. Let me turn on the AC in my studio that I pay for.
Right. True. In the meantime, it's so crazy because this Shannon Sharp thing, right? It's been this build up. Like Shannon has not been catching a break for a cool minute, right? Like for a while he's been on this crazy run of like, and he's just been trying to chill. Like he's not asking for problems some of the time. You know, he gets out of a car and he's a meme for like 2 months, right? And then you had the thing with the IG Live. Remember the IG Live thing? No, here's what's so crazy. Based on like what I'm seeing in the reports with Shannon, it's like the IG Live could have been part of his thing.
You think him do that on purpose?
Like he likes the exhibitionist thing.
I think him probably like do that when him in at the bed. You know?
Yeah, like it's just like just like I put it live and them can hear it and
Me not suppose the man want to try like a little role play or something.
yeah, that's what I'm saying. You know, it's just so weird now. I feel like it's like everything on display now. As far
Know
as like
what,
the
brother?
internet, everything is out there. Like everything. It's not enough to like present your art and your passion, right? You have to like, what kind of cornflakes you like?
Brother,
It's the everyday.
Brother, the way how the internet a move fast now. Remember when people was okay with getting 1 6-second video from me per day.
Yep.
That
No,
was fine.
If you do a 45-minute video now, they talk about, that episode are kind of short.
No, me do no, when you post the next episode, because I need to hear you for 2 hours.
Brother, you need to upload this everywhere too. We need it on all things. We can't just go this one place, you know. We need it to be everywhere at all times.
Social media changed still. I think streaming is like stages.
Yeah.
Because you remember, like, during the pandemic, I think that's when live streaming really became like.
Yeah. Everybody's
the thing.
inside. Everybody's inside. Everybody's like stuck watching everybody else.
Brother, I just remember my highlight moment of the live streaming was Boosie.
Boosie, man.
Put your pussy lips on live, I'll give you $1,000. Put your pussy lips on live, I'll give you $1,000.
$1,000. Yep. Facts. Big facts. Big facts. Think they had his thing going crazy too.
Tory Lanez.
Tory had the pandemic radio going crazy.
He had a lot of things going crazy, you know.
Apparently.
But you know, it's his birthday. I think it was
Today?
yesterday. Yesterday, I think it was his birthday. Big up Tory Lanez.
Blessed earth,
Tory Lanez, and I'm not hear anybody say.
You know what I mean? Bad artists are bad artists, you know.
Yeah. Meg Thee Stallion is actually now dating Klay Thompson.
Really?
Yeah. Draymond Green commenting and said, I see she likes shooters.
She got a type, you know? She got a type. She like the bad man.
She love Batman.
Brrr. Sell drugs, sell weed. But see, all right, the fact that we even know that. You see how crazy social media is? We just know.
Not private again.
No, there's no privacy with anything, bro. Once upon a time, you shared your little, you know, bit of thing that you wanted to do. Bro, I remember when you had like 30 minutes of internet for the day, you know, depending on how much CD you have, you know.
Brother, I remember going to the internet cafe.
Thank you.
And I had to pay $15. No, $50. And it would give me 30 minutes.
Yeah.
And I would need to use Facebook. I was using the hell out of Facebook.
You do everything at that same time.
And all I was doing is sending and receiving friend requests.
Yep.
I only used internet on weekends.
All right.
Internet for me was a Friday, Saturday thing.
And you had to wait. So when you send out your friend request them, you're not gonna know what go on till next week, you know.
Unless, but the thing is though, you have, you know, some people did have internet at them house.
Yeah, true.
No, I was at the internet cafe. Right, true. Big up Jody.
But even then, internet was such a different thing. You didn't have to share
everything,
your entire life. And it's almost like, you know, them say no publicity is bad publicity, right?
Mm-hmm.
But it's like, it's gotten to this point where it's like, yo, there's no privacy for any secrets that you have in your life, for anything, for nothing.
Yeah.
And that is what can make you rich, low-key.
If you just don't keep no secret.
No secret. Just live in the travesty and the battery, and you should be fine. In today's...
Man, I just feel like the way the internet set up now, dog, you just have to really know how to maneuver it to the best of your abilities.
Yeah.
And also it can be the age too.
True.
Because sometime, all right, like for me, streaming, me going on Twitch, me use Twitch.
Yeah.
But you have to really have a lot of time.
Yeah.
For just focus on Twitch alone.
Yeah. True.
Yeah, like me have shows and them things, so me can do Twitch like 2-3 days, maybe 2 days out of the week. But
and it depends on where you are and
exactly. So it's really an age. And big people, majority of big people now watch Twitch. You have to now go cater to a younger market.
That's true. That's true.
So where I learn say the internet are evolve and we as people we are evolve, but we are stay with what we know same time.
So it's interesting because the internet is becoming like, you know, them talk about third places. You ever hear them say like third places are disappearing? Like
Yeah.
you can't go to the park anymore because everybody's not at the park like one time, you know?
Yeah.
Internet is becoming that third place, and it's like each group is getting their own like spot. Like if you're older, you're probably on Facebook.
You know, you're
Right?
definitely
if you're
on
older,
Facebook.
that's Facebook is where you get all your information. If you're not super old but you're not super young, you're more than likely on IG somewhere. You might be on TikTok. No, you're not on TikTok.
If you're not,
you
no.
might be on TikTok.
You're on IG.
You're on IG.
You have an account on TikTok. You scroll, but you don't post.
You don't post anything. If you are under 25, you're on TikTok for sure.
And you're using TikTok religiously
Daily.
for everything.
That's what you do. Everything.
You know, I never know that people ask TikTok like questions like if they want to know something, them go up on TikTok to find it out. Like best food places, and as TikTok them consult.
Yeah.
Best blender, them go up on TikTok.
Crazy. I mean, for me now, it's AI. So
Yeah, we are use ChatGPT.
Yes, AI though. Like,
But-
what's the best thing in the neighborhood?
It's crazy how information are move fast now, dog.
Yeah, it's wild, bro.
But some
It's
of the
like-
time, still with the information moving that fast, you as a viewer and a person might get caught up and believe that is the real world,
That's true.
because it really isn't.
That's true. That's very true. And the parasocial kind of relationship that can build up from that. Because people could feel like them know.
People,
No.
when they have to sit down right now, people feel like them know with especially me.
Yeah, them know, you know. They'll not do that.
Me grow with Dale.
Yeah.
Like me know Dale.
20 years, me know deal. What you talk about? Long time.
I've been seeing this man on the internet for 10 years.
Easy. They don't have a clue.
but exactly, and it shows too. It shows the difference with, say, if somebody go out and somebody meet a musician
Yeah.
and you now meet a social media person, you feel more comfortable to confront the social media person before you confront the musician now.
Yeah. Yeah. You feel like you know them, you see them, you can part with them.
Because we give a personality. And I think that is the positive about social media now.
Yeah.
Some of the time I feel like though social media, you can't make people know too much about you think and them things the social media wise. Because you leave people opinion, you just left all the opinions for catch every stray.
Yeah, true. Because you get critiqued so heavily when people have an idea of you in the head.
Of you.
Like, they're not gonna do that. You know what I mean? It's like, so how you know someone not gonna do that? How you know say they'll not like uns music?
It's
You know what I
like,
mean?
brother, I got the beach Saturday.
Yeah.
It's the most fun I have in like the longest while.
It's
Like,
a chilling on the
straight
beach.
uns to uns. The people that will come on my show them see me with Jeff.
Yo, oh, Jeff did that?
I said, that's a Jeff. I mean, I said, it's crazy. That is how the connection we build with viewers.
Yeah.
It's insane.
Because them can say and go, oh, that's the guy you was talking about. Oh, he real.
Him real.
Remember Jabba, you know, we never think Jabba was real for the longest time, you know.
I mean, I have to show you a picture of Jabba. I have to say, see Jabba, yeah, see video here with Jabba.
And Jabba defend it.
Yeah, Jabba, I'll explain why he did rob me.
Crazy. Big up Jabba every time.
Big up Jabba. So it crazy how nowadays, dog, we can live two life.
It's like magic, you know, bro.
That is how the phone is right now. Me feel like your whole being, everything can be in that phone. You can wake up and live a whole entire life from that phone. It's like me I play Grand Theft.
Yeah, literally. You watch Black Mirror? You ever watch Black Mirror?
No, because people talk about it all the
I
time.
watch Black Mirror, dog.
You see what you just do a while ago? That's exactly why I'm going to watch it. That's exactly why.
To be fair, there's like 3 episodes that you would watch and be like, why Crooks tell me for watch I show ya? You'd be absolutely angry.
See?
You'd be absolutely mad at those episodes. But there's an episode of Black Mirror where like your social standing is based on how much people like you on like
The internet.
the app, whatever the app is. And you'd interact with me like we do our thing right now, and you'd go, "Bloop," and my social ranking would up with everybody. And if it dropped too low, then you can't go to the restaurants and you can't like.
That's like a real life thing.
Bro, it's literally what it is. It's so crazy how intertwined everybody is now.
Brother, let me show you how crazy things is. Me I go on event and me a part of my brethren. And I hate when people do this.
No.
Me a part of my brethren and the man go up to the front. Me think him have the link for get in or something, you know. Me see man walk up to the front and me see the man show like the man at the security guard him phone. So me I say, oh yeah man. Me see him keep on. Yeah man. See him there? Yeah man, see him? Yeah man, him this. And it's like him not even say to me, cause now support the security guard style me now. Say yo, me not really care about that.
Yeah, I'm not business about that, brother.
But the fact that he might not care about me, but somebody else will look upon that and be like, oh yeah, definitely. We're letting me.
Yeah, that looks good for what we're trying to do. He's using your social current. Somebody else.
Him go up to the security guard and say, yo, Miss Surya thinks we have the link for getting, you know.
Like, oh yeah man, we're good man. Yeah, found you are the link.
Me, brother, pour me stand up. You want me brother stand up one side and we can be thinking about, you know, go sort out how we are gonna get in. I mean, look, me see this man turning and pine palm me. I say, yo. Support the man now. Say, yo, me don't know what that brother. Yeah. What?
Brother, so what that have to do with nothing, bro?
No, me shame.
Bro, it's 80 to get in, bro. Like, what you?
No, me shame.
You gotta wait in the line. You gotta go back to the line.
Brother, social media create a whole another branch of like celebrity, you know.
Yeah. Like a regular everyday person celebrity.
Kai Sanat, Speed, DDG. These people are celebrities. You know?
Like full celebrities. Like Kai
can't walk a road, you know. Like one of the biggest, like enough A-list artists don't need the security with them and they need it, you know.
Fully. Like in film and movies and done a bag of things and them now. It's a different scope now. And all the attention is shifting to this kind of, especially when he's not, especially streaming, it's not rigid where you have to be.
You know, put you in a box.
You know, you can do anything and interact with anybody and it'll be fine.
Which is why for the youth, if no youth there where watch this, or no need for if you know now is the time for use social media to an advantage. You know, I never
Fully.
when me did I start out, it probably a little harder.
Yeah.
You know, probably me going into certain things may have more of an advantage because I already have a following.
Yeah.
But trust me, it make a big difference. Like when me go into stand-up comedy, when me go at the show and like see people turn up, like the man who own the comedy club I always surprised. Like, yo, me don't know you from nowhere. Who are these people? Why do they like you?
These are my people. I don't know.
Like, why do they like you? I mean, I say, because this is how we do.
I've built this community, bro. And
You build like a whole group of people where just...
It's crazy, you know, because Kai is so famous that Kai has a universe. Like a cinematic universe, you know.
Yeah.
like you can be... you can be famous because you're friends of Kai.
Yeah.
Easily. Like, them money around you and the man them around them can get famous just by being in the link.
And this is the difference.
And being consistent.
But that is also the difference with, like, how would I say, outside of America. Like, content creators, we not all the way, like, work together all the time.
I feel like that's...
And then all the way stream too, so.
I feel like with Jamaican creatives, that's most like branches of the, like most. I don't feel like a lot of artists work with a lot of artists.
Yeah, me just think the entertainment wise in a Jamaica, we just kind of different.
Yeah, everybody's just doing what they want to do.
Yeah, but even so though, from what me and see dog, me I take off from a perspective of somebody will use social media hard and me earn from social media. This is what me do for a living.
Yeah.
What they are doing, I feel like take my hats off fight to see how the man them use them surroundings.
Yeah.
I used to have to make videos and make sure that it's funny all the time.
Mm-hmm.
No, that can now be, I am just going to be sitting and reacting to other people's videos.
True.
That's now a thing. That me used to make, I would have never stitched a video with my video and talk about it. And then me start doing it and I said, but this kind of easier than what me did do before.
So I started doing cooking videos on TikTok during the pandemic, right? And I think I got like 2 million view videos on there, right? I tried to do that on IG. And then after a while, I was like, yo, doing these cooking videos
Takes a lot.
take a whole... You already have to cook the thing, right? You have to set up the camera and do the whole thing and get the right angle. And then after you catch all the footage, you have to now edit all the footage to make it an interesting video and do the voiceover and do all of that extra stuff, right? And then I was like...
So you're putting in 5 to 6 hours worth of work.
For one video, hoping.
A lot of people don't understand the hope aspect, you know. Like, hey, I think people understand the hope aspect. Like, shits and giggles. This whole studio I'm rent, this is hoping, you know.
Yeah.
This is over $50,000 worth of hope.
Just hoping that this works and that y'all like it. You know what I mean?
And I hope we don't like it. You know? People don't sit up out there.
No, they just think, yeah, man.
Yeah.
Y'all are doing it. Yo, that's dope.
And it's just working.
Yeah. Then, them don't know.
Hope. Hey, that faith we are going.
What I realized is like, okay, I could just react to videos, which big up to the creators.
That create the videos
that create.
To react to.
Absolutely. Like the people that create things from scratch. Big up the people them that make the producers that make samples that other producers can use.
But it's just that the creative thing is just art.
Yeah.
Because like me know so much people know me. Like people who says me and say, oh yo, you're all over TikTok. And not even me all over TikTok, you know. People react to me over TikTok, you know, or I use my voice over how I make with my mother voice, you know.
Yeah.
People to this day still don't even know, some people still don't even know say my voice, you know.
That them still feel like
people still think it's a woman that talk to me, you know. So it just crazy say, yo, we as people we create them things, we have to continue and evolve with the time.
Yeah.
Because if you don't evolve, you're going to stuck.
Because it's also a thing of even with AI right now, right? AI is able to create a lot of content also in a way, right? Have you seen the trend of like an AI video of like a Jamaican dog talking to the camera like he vlogging? Have you seen those? No, those are interesting, right? Because it's content, but there's no context to anything, right? All of these are they just appear in a vacuum. Real art, I feel like, has context.
So do you think content creation get too easy now?
I wouldn't say that.
I would say it get harder.
I think it's harder to be liked. It's harder to be liked because you have to do things that people like. A lot of artists don't think about that because they want to be an artist and they want to present the thing that they want to present.
But I always remember this. Somebody out there like it.
Somebody like it, you know.
And millions. I got enough people in that world in the dark.
Whole heap of people.
Brother, me used to think some crazy thing. Like, I had a show in Fort Lauderdale once where Marlon Wayans was having a show across the street. And the 2-hour show them sell out.
Wow. And I'm sure in your head you thought,
my mind, me I say,
Marlon Wayans next door, my thing I got dead.
My thing mash up.
It's over.
There is millions of people. There is a show, Barry Salmon will be in New Jersey on the same day that I have a show in New Jersey.
Yeah.
I think it's like the 15th or the 16th.
Yeah.
And me did I say, oh no, show mash up. No.
But here's the thing.
Barry Salmon show pack and my show pack same way.
Here's the thing. It's because you're good. Remember, you know, you're also competing with people's interests. You have to be good enough for me when I left my yard.
For me come out of my house.
You see me as well? Like if you're not pulling that, then you're not really say nothing in a way. You know what I mean? So you have to make things that will engage people in a way that will literally draw them.
Yeah, because now me think it social media pass, and this is just me, I think content creation as it relates to comedy is what is dying the most.
In what way?
I would say that. So for instance, comedian. You just say Desi Banks, King Bash, me, Prince Pine, Trabas, even more American video people were funny. We're now seeing that us just making 1 minute skits is not going to do it.
Yeah.
This day and age, no, we have podcasts. No, we have streaming platforms. No, you have TikTok. No, you have Twitter. You have to scroll up on Twitter and you have threads. That one time you just have to lock in for one social media platform. You know?
No, you have to do everything. But so that is why I talk about context. Now you have to take the content that you're making and figure out
repurpose it for everything.
Which context can I put this joke on LinkedIn? How can I get this joke for work on IG? How I can get this joke for work on TikTok? Cause they're not going, the same one not going to work on all of them in the same way.
I also think, and the thing too, what you talk about or what your topic is what you are going to be known for, and is the people where you go attract.
Absolutely.
So like me being like very known for like mother jokes, me attract literally enough of them people.
Yeah.
I'm show them. Like, because I can use the data check and see them come. And when I see them forward now, I say, all right then. Yeah, this is how me I go work it out. But when you're content creation now, you see, when me ready for do comedy, me I gotta have to do like, me I gotta have to start make 5 minute short film.
Yeah.
Feet work now.
Yeah.
Because where 1 minute skits is concerned, might as well me react to a video and get the same numbers or more.
So it's it's trippy, right? Because you can start with the reactions and get the engagement, but once people engage, now you have to give them something.
No, you have to keep them there.
And give them something substantial where it's like, all right, it's not just, we're not just doing mother jokes all day or reacting to all day.
And sometimes it's fine to just be a reactor.
Sometimes it's cool to be
One
that.
to the guy from TikTok where does taste food.
Yeah.
You have another man from TikTok when we never hear him talk before. We just go so.
Big up Kabi.
Tell him again?
Kabi.
He got deported
yes.
the other day.
Yes, he was trying to board a flight in Vegas.
And I see the video with the man who snitched on him, you know.
Damn.
Yeah.
I snitch on him?
Yeah, somebody tell. And guess where he announced that? On a podcast.
Wow.
So you see where media change now to the point where is like you have to be very mindful of people and you have to keep secrets.
Yeah. You think podcast is almost like, you think some people treat podcasts like a new news, like?
I think podcasts right now triumphs majority of social media where interest is concerned.
Yeah.
So like if you are somebody who is interested in long form content, you are going to watch the podcast. And what age? I have to do age too, you know. I don't feel like a lot of people under the age of 25 watching no podcast, you know, every minute, you know. They're not. They're scrolling through TikTok.
Yeah. So
that's why the clips there would work.
So that's the context now. The clip, you can say some small thing that will work in the context of TikTok that wouldn't work in the context of YouTube.
Well, it wouldn't work none at all.
It wouldn't work nowhere else other than right where it's working.
The crazy thing is when you post something on all the platforms and you see like Instagram, love it. YouTube, love it. Facebook, absolutely hates it.
Hates it. Can't stand it.
TikTok,
nobody even look on it.
No, Facebook is blazing fire. Go fire, sir. This is terrible. This is so low. Why would you even do that? Why would you say that about somebody? Why? And crazy.
Yeah.
TikTok, no. Them now look. TikTok, you get 5 views.
Nobody even seen it on TikTok.
IG get 5 million. TikTok, you get 5.
And just bag of dislikes on Facebook. This is so terrible. You don't make fun of, no.
Brother, every single social media is a different world.
Yeah.
Like, yo, X is a completely different world from Instagram.
Completely. Entirely. I've seen perspectives that I thought, okay, everybody thinks this is
would
cool.
think like this.
Everybody thinks this is cool. Okay, everybody agrees with them. Okay. And then you go on X and it's like, yo, this idiot. And it's like, oh, I thought we're not cool with this. No, nobody's cool with it.
Nobody over there is not cool with it.
Nobody over there is cool with it whatsoever.
I better go for yourself.
Jaja. It's an interesting space because we all live in this weird digital realm of like digital neighborhoods. Just check it. Just double check.
This has been such a good conversation.
Yeah.
I'm like, let me just
Make sure it's a record because
this is and I need all this. Digital neighborhood.
yeah. So there's a video game. You must know Mega Man. You know Mega Man? The video game Mega Man?
No. Me know isn't there a cartoon, Mega Man?
There's a cartoon as well.
Yeah.
So there's a version of it called Mega Man Battle Network, right? In Battle Network, the cyber world is a real world that has like different places that you can visit and you can log in at different. That's how the world feels to me right now, like for real. Like you can go over X and get cussed out and decide, say, you know what, I'm going to allow this and I'm going to leave. Right? I'm going to leave. I'm going to deactivate my account and go to this other thing.
And it make you feel so much better. And so somebody have to make up your mind, say, yo, brother, what they on the internet is not what in a real world, brother.
Not at all.
Brother, you can dip on the internet and think this is your worst day ever. And the person side there say, where you going to believe you know
Like,
what?
No.
Until you show them.
Like, yo, bro, everybody's cooking me on this, you know. Like, dog, put on your phone.
Just put on your phone, brother. Go play ball. Put on your phone, go talk to some real people, brother.
Go outside, go drink a coffee or something, bro. Like,
they won't remember that next week. Tomorrow that done.
bro, it's so wild how, like, because things move so quickly too, there could be something. And it don't matter how dramatic or non-dramatic the thing is.
Yeah.
It could be something happen today and you're like, yo, dog, you hear about the thing we're going today? It's like, yo, that's crazy. And then
Tomorrow it done.
nobody no business about it. You already, yo, dog, we're tired to hear about that.
Brother, let me show you how time move fast. We are seeing formulas feel like be great or be good.
Yeah.
Because look at it that way. Yeah. You take like 4 months to get to like 300,000 followers.
Yeah.
You take like 4 months.
Yeah.
It take me like 6-7 years.
Yeah. Yep. Yep.
There's a formula.
Yeah.
There's ways now how to get to certain things faster or to achieve what you want
True.
quicker.
True.
Because now you say, yo, you want to learn from one, bam, you start react. You don't have to kill up. You start react. You start stream. You know, so and then the barriers to entry keep on get so lower and lower and lower. You just need a phone now.
Yeah, and the phone and consistency.
Scariest thing now is that my reliance on my phone is so scary.
Bro, I will be late to anywhere if I can't find my phone. Absolutely. Like, I'm not leaving. When last you left the yard without your phone?
No,
intentionally.
No, I'm not like, me's a man where me terrible.
Yeah?
Yeah, me's a man where, so me I go down at the gym,
Yeah.
I'm left my phone by
No, what I said, the gym, working out.
No, me left the yard already.
Yeah.
It's crazy. Me left the yard to go pick up something. And when me have to pick it up, there are Monterey Park.
And you left your phone?
And me left my phone. Me realize I left my phone right in the driveway. And me just drive, go me and come back. Just to test myself. Me just drive, go me and come back. Me I say I'm leaving business. Me I drive, go me and come back.
But that not so bad though, cause you were going and found him back and you knew where you were going.
Yeah, me didn't know my phone there. That's a difference.
And
if me don't know my phone there, all right, no.
You can't leave. Like, what you
No,
mean?
if me don't know my phone there.
Like, oh, dip on the couch, it's fine, you know? Like, all right, cool. Not knowing?
Brother, they've made it so easy to even know where your phone there.
Brother, so, you know, it's been tripping me out. I don't know what it is with the MacBook. I don't know if mine is, I don't know if they're trying to give me the signal to get the new one.
It tell you, say you left it out when you have it by you?
When I have it, so I'll leave a gig and, you know, I'm tired and put on my bag and me in the car, I drive off and then I see it pop up. Yo, the MacBook
left behind.
Brother, I will pull over immediately like, what you mean?
And check your bag.
Oh, okay. I knew I took it up.
You know you put it in your bag.
I knew I picked it up, bro.
Brother, pre-say one time, people used to last phone.
I mean, one time it was perfectly fine for me to call you and not get you and not expect a call back for the next like 3-4 days.
No, there was never a time like that, Crooks.
You are
Crooks,
not old enough.
There's never that time.
You are
There's never a time.
Once upon a time. Okay, let me ask you something. Have you known cell phones your entire life? Like you're born and cell phones are a thing?
My band come say 3310. The big one. My band come say like.
All right. So I never born see cell phone. When me born, cell phone was spy tech. That was sci-fi. That was James Bond. That was James Bond
thing.
Like to be able to video call you, I had to be like one of like a rich billionaire. I had to be somebody with
and then probably still never have that.
That's the only time you'd see it. You'd be like, yes, in the layer of evil. And you'd see a guy with a big screen and him talking to the other bad guy somewhere else in the universe.
So do you realize that they were all lying to us, though?
We still don't have flying cars.
That's not even the thing, Crooks. Let me show you how we know the human beings are lied to it.
Oh.
In 1918, 1914 to 1918, I think, was World War I. They had planes dropping bombs.
Yeah.
Planes. 1939 to 1945 was World War II. Them create the atomic bomb. Them create the microwave. Germany create the Luftwaffe. Them create submarine, U-boat. But that was at 1945. You know?
Okay. What if I told you that in 1999 they were using drones in the military, like the same kind of drones that we have now?
And they were using that.
Yeah.
America has a ship.
Yeah.
That not ship, a plane that cannot be picked up on radar.
Yeah.
And they've had this. It's a
So-
B-2 stealth bomber.
Yeah. They have a bunch of those, you know. But they have one that's big enough to carry other planes.
Yeah, all right.
Yeah.
It cannot be picked up by radar. No radar in this world can pick it up.
Yeah.
It says pick up a little speck. It says a special paint. This ship, this plane has been in commission since like 1980 something or 1979. People correct me if I'm wrong or find the actual date. But this is from the 70s.
Yeah.
Technology has been, they are giving us,
Yeah, for sure.
them just a spoon feed way with what them have because they've been had it.
Yeah.
You know, like certain things just don't make no sense.
I mean, so how the technology flows to me is you discover this amazing thing, right? And then you find ways of using it militarily, right? How can we use this and have the
Defend
advantage?
ourselves first.
Yeah, you know what I mean? How can this give us an advantage in warfare and defend or offend or whatever, right? And then it becomes a thing where, all right, no, the rich people can have it, right? Start there. It's like, yo, this is a military grade thing.
Until the rich people find out how to make money and fight by selling it to poor people.
No, everybody can get it. No, you can get the watered down version of it. It's the same kind of thing, but it make out a plastic. It make out a, you know, now you have tiers of it. You can get your version of it and try it out.
Brother, it insane the things them way make. World War II was the fastest like inventionary period in all of the history of the world.
World War II had to be crazy, like, to experience from a soldier perspective. Like, thinking of, like, what your idea of war is. Are you going to go out, are you going to pow, pow, pow? And then it's just like a big mushroom cloud.
That's not it.
You know what I mean?
When most people they think war was, like, me I always about documentary. Brother, I see a documentary where they talk about, like, back in the day war, like sword war, Romans, and...
Yeah.
You see what we were seeing on like them gladiator movies there?
That's
It's
a
not-
soft, that's a
it's not
baby
that.
thing, you know.
It's not that. Brother, but I'm saying back in them days, man just a run with shield and just a buck up in each other. Brother, I say more man dead from slip and drop.
Yeah.
More
and,
man
more man dead from accidentally killing them brethren. Like, you don't know Wagwan, everybody covered in a blood and you just a swing and a chop.
Brother, you see all the stone them when them use a slingshot?
Oh, yeah,
You know
man.
much of them they pop and go the wrong way?
Easy. Bro, how much bowstring? The archers are athletes, by the way. But how much bowstring you imagine?
No, they're not.
Pop.
Hey, we're not gonna zoom past that.
Yeah,
They're not.
the archers are.
An archer is not an athlete. You're an archer. You arch away.
Yeah, it's not
No,
easy to do.
Arch.
It's not easy to do.
Arch, Virgin. Boy, archer. Archer can do nothing. Archer.
Archer is an athlete, bro.
Athlete where?
You ever use a bow? You ever fire a bow and arrow yet?
Yeah, me fire bow already.
And it doesn't require any strength or coordination to you.
Virgin, you just pull it up back and let it go. It's like a bingy. You tell me something because I can build a bingy means an athlete, no?
Yes.
You tell me something because I climb a mango tree and pick one white branch.
Competitively, yes.
I'm not trying to hear that shit. Sorry. Argue with your mama.
Yo, archers, loose.
There's no archer here. I promise you this. What I promise you is that there's no archer here. There's no archer here. So, brother, when we see the thing them from World War II, dog,
Yeah.
and realize that even though warfare is not the same as
No. Bro, the drone thing really changed war, you know.
you think a drone internet change war, brother?
Yeah.
Internet.
Bro, I mean, right now the war is an internet war, you know. Like
Most war now is an internet war.
Like you can subscribe to different like war, like live stream war, you know. Like real war, like man are dead. I'd like them have them channels and it's like, hey, today we're gonna use this F-11 such drone and like and share for more. It's crazy.
Brother, when me see like, brother, you ever scroll through like X yet and see like some crazy things that happen and it's like the first, like, I say, who is videoing this? like, you don't hear them shots firing? Why are you like not moving?
Tear through a whole building, the building collapsing right in front of us. Like, yo, is this person okay? Brother, it's...
And the thing is, with social media make we see it now.
Yeah. The urge is to film before you help, you know.
That's crazy.
That's the real thing now. It's like, if you did for start mad out right now, I would have to record it to prove that you did start mad out right now. Because like, if you don't have proof, it not happen.
Brother, one time you want to win one election, you better do road, you know.
Oh, outside.
You better outside pan the road, you know.
Mm-hmm. But that's where everybody used to see you.
No, that's 50-50, you know.
Cause here what? One time, remember, you know, cause you know old enough to know pre-internet life. Right? You don't know pre-internet life. One time you had to be outside because that's where everybody was. The internet wasn't a cool place to be, you know. Brother, in 2005, you couldn't tell somebody say you meet your girlfriend online, you know.
It's so like a creep.
It's a man you're there with, bro. Like what you mean? Like, bro, that's not a real person. That's somebody that's about to steal your entire identity and steal your kidney and leave you in a hotel in the middle of Wisconsin somewhere. That's not a real person. Right?
No, you just randomly meet somebody and just go link them for no reason. Whoa.
Link them. Go fly you in. You give them all your information and then put you on a plane and you go show up at this stranger's house.
No, we're not going to do that. Because I remember, you know, beer them thing there going right now. Whole heap of allegations are going right now with all Diddy and all them thing there. And see dog beat them. But you are. Now you know, say, that flying thing. Yeah. Don't subscribe to it. Man, them
don't do that.
Don't fly in a girl. Here what you going to do. Make sure you pay for your flight.
Straight.
Yeah. Because if you pay for your flight, technically you're trafficking. That's what I'm hearing. That's what I'm hearing. So here what?
Who knew that the fluid out? Who knew that the fluid out was federal?
Bro, me see a thing where them say, oh, DeAndre Ayton is a basketball player. Yeah. Say him have a girl at Turks and Caicos. And she must have never want like have sex with him and man left her at Turks and Caicos. You know how upset you have to be.
Just, you know what?
That fly out thing that's strange to me. No, fly out. Listen to me. Man, them if you have a woman, if you look at a girl, brother, and fly out come, make sure she know exactly where she go find her. Don't make she guess and spell her.
I also feel like you have to know this girl in real life. Yeah. Like you have to actually know. Don't see a person online.
Yo, can you imagine she'll promise you what she gonna do to you and then she reach out and say she not about that? Money burn up. Cause you can't do nothing, you know.
Brother, you have people where I've heard stories, dog, of man where flying the girl and the girl just she just disappeared. She there now, you know, like she land.
And she didn't even link him or nothing.
Done. She just got the flight and was out. Gone. That's over.
Yeah, me know Bridget will like invite out girl. Feel like got like a big party. Yeah. And she just reach and gone with her friend.
Rough. Just there, just for it was just for the link to get in. You know what I mean?
Yeah, you was just the link for getting in at the party. Not like how me in, I'm gonna leave you.
It's wild. And it's like, but there's also women making money doing S work digitally. Strictly digitally.
Prostitution pass.
So now it's cyber.
I think it's a problem. We definitely think OnlyFans is a problem.
I think so too.
And I think as men, it's our fault.
I agree.
Yes, because they are complaining about problem right now, and you just take the right OnlyFans. You say, oh, sure, OnlyFans, so I go on.
So I go. I think it's so crazy that it is such an acceptable.
It's not a thing.
Like for just, man, you know, life hard. I feel just start at OnlyFans. Like it. One time you couldn't suggest something like that, you know.
Brother, I still I think about one time when me get a titty. One time if a girl send me a picture in a brassiere.
Yeah, man.
One time brassiere or panty used to mean she naked, you know.
Yeah, that was naked.
No,
that
it
was
means
naked.
she ready to go out.
Yeah. No, it's what's your problem? You never
see brassiere and panty before?
You know, one time that was like, yo, shut the door. That's a leak, you know. That was a leaked photo.
Yeah, one time that a leak. Brassiere and panty. Oh no, that's
a regular.
That they beside you out upon the road.
Yeah,
that in a restaurant.
Yeah, in restaurant, on the bus. This is just regular. That's just everyday.
Brother, I was going into a restaurant and see them letting a girl will literally look like she in a brassiere and panty and a youth in our sweatpants and them stop him. Sorry, sir, no sweatpants allowed. This girl in a full mesh.
But
and the dog can't wear sweatpants.
Sweatpants not allowed, sir. There's a strict dress code.
You know, there's a strict dress code in Miami.
Yeah?
Yeah. Miami. Sometimes I feel like Miami have a little prejudice thing about them more while.
You know.
Because like, and it's crazy. Me not lie. As a girl, if a girl there in Miami, you know that. If a girl go to Miami and say she is going to enjoy herself, she better pray to God say she not ugly though. Because she not getting a no party.
Yo, that is a very cold thing that like Miami does.
No club. If you don't, if brother, and them so bold with it. Yeah, brother, she was there. No, you have to go somewhere else. No.
Yeah,
no, try El Pollo Loco.
Yeah, that's not the. Yeah, it's a private event tonight. You don't fit the.
Yeah, try El Taquito. Something not here. No. Not inside here.
LA used to be like that. Yeah. I don't feel like LA is like that anymore. LA used to be very like.
But with LA though, I don't think it was how the people look. LA, I think it was who you know.
LA was a mixture. It was a mixture of how you look and who you know. You could look a certain way and get in, but it would help it helps more if you know.
Yeah, because the thing is in LA, there is two type of way of looking homeless, you know.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Like you have the don't care homeless look, and then you have the actually homeless.
Yeah, for sure.
You have a better chance of dressing don't care homeless in LA and getting into a club than putting on your best outfit.
For sure.
You put on your best outfit and you don't know nobody, you're standing in that line and you're never getting it.
No, at all.
You're going to see a man pass it in our slippers and one XXL and him weigh 150 pounds and walking past you.
I'm going to have on some crazy glasses and just, hey, bro. Man, gone inside. And you will be upset. Because he know everybody.
Him know everybody. When we see that thing there with Miami, dog, even when me there Miami ready, dog, me there Miami and I go in one club to blood clot. Swan. Swan is like a restaurant and it turned into like a little vibe after.
Okay.
I think Swan and then Story beside a Swan.
Mm-hmm.
So we eat a Swan. I will go over to Story and me just remember I walk in and some girl in front of it and the man literally say, hey, you know, come to the side and pull them off one side and say them have to wait here. I did two girl and the two girl them be kind of big.
Mm.
And I couldn't believe, like, I was like, them fully set like, oh, no, you can't.
Like you can't.
This is not for you.
Yeah.
But when me not like to some of the time, it even look like color.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sometimes they make it look like a color thing because you will go out there enough of time, a black woman you see out there.
Yeah.
So me always be like, oh, me not like how not do, you know. But then, sometimes you go, it look like them literally a single out some kind of, like, I say, all right then. No matter what color, you're fat, come over here.
Out.
Come over here.
Out. Hey, people, me tell you. See, as a bigs, talk about it, you know. Slim people I live different life, you know. You just can't go in certain places as a bigs, you know. Bigs discrimination need to be studied, you know.
I don't think, I say fat people, you know. I don't think fat people get discriminated anymore.
Bro, fat people still get discriminated to this day, man.
Bro, this is what. This is
they can't buy clothes.
What I don't like, I should be able to say you're fat. What's the problem?
I agree. I absolutely agree.
Me not go, you're fat.
Yeah.
You know, and that don't mean you can't say me skinny, wherever the hell me is. But me just feel like when we go up on the dictionary, I'm look, I'm see what fat is.
Yeah.
Me say, all right then, yeah, you're overweight.
Yeah.
But when me see people like, no, we there one stage where we can't even say that again. So
I don't like the delusion. That's what I don't like. I don't like the, no man, you're not that fat. You know, like I feel like them kind of, that kind of
but you're not a bigs though.
I'm not a bigs.
Yeah,
not in today's standard of
yeah,
bigs.
you're not a bigs.
Not in today's standards of bigs. Back in the day, I was a bigs for sure.
Yeah, back in the day at Jamaica,
yes,
bigs.
for sure. Bigs. But now, you know, you have shows like My 600 Pound Life and them something.
But bro, also me realize though is just people are just different kind of people. You have fat people, you have slim people. Like everybody cannot be the same thing.
But that's why I said that. I mean, everybody can be slim.
I don't believe that. Not everybody is the same.
We can't. You don't
not
have to be.
Everybody.
You know, I don't think there's anybody. As a bigs, I don't think. I know, and a lot of bigs
some people
disagree.
Are incapable of being slim. Some people born bigs and they will die a bigs.
There is nobody.
Die a bigs this.
Let me tell you something. There is nobody that is born a bigs. Being a bigs is purely nurture. You got a lot of food.
So he said there is nobody can just natural. So when people say big bone, it is a lie.
Absolutely. There's no big, you might be tall or you might be,
feel like
you might have extra bone density.
No, man, you have people bigger than some people. No, you have people bigger than some people, brother.
Yeah, you have people that taller than some people. You might have a different,
you
might have a different muscle makeup.
No, brother, I see family where everybody big and fat.
Because everybody eat whole heap of food and everybody feel like it's okay to eat a lot of food.
No, me think some people naturally are big and them can't slim. And when them slim, them all look away. Look on Fat Joe, Bridget. Look on Fat Joe.
You don't think Fat Joe?
Can't even call him Slim Joe.
You don't think Slim Fat Joe works?
No, Bigs Fat Joe. It's not. See,
Bigs Joe.
This is crazy because look like coming through me here. Some people don't even want to see me with ballad.
True.
Exactly. So my time, brother, like Biggie Smalls not supposed to just slim one day.
Why not?
I don't think he would be capable. Like, look, all right.
He's absolutely capable.
Fat Joe is the biggest slim big man me ever see.
Yeah.
Like him.
But it's because he used to be big.
But
so that's
no,
the issue.
He's slim though.
But that's the all right.
But he is slim. Why him still look big?
Because
why is he big slim?
Because
why is he big slim? I am seeing this slim man big.
I mean, Thing that slim down too. Jada Kiss slim down too. And him still look big, kinda.
Yeah, but Jada
Timbaland got diesel. Timbaland used to be chubby and Timbaland became like Mr. Miami for like a year.
Yeah, but that not count. Where you could have get out with this big boy?
Yeah.
I want me look at big boy, but that one have something wrong with him.
So, all right, so here's the issue. The issue is being a bigs and then becoming small. Because your body after so many years has, your skin has stretched to accommodate for you being a bigs. So now that you've lost the weight, your skin don't necessarily always shrink back to like your slim look. Mm-hmm. So now you have like you still kind of look like a big person.
Yeah, because your body tell you say you use a bigs and you are trying to small up yourself.
Yeah, but you don't
so
have to be. It means you used to be a bigs. That's what I mean. It means you used to be a bigs. Like stretch mark. You used to be slim.
Brother. All right, watch out. Rick Ross take Ozempic.
Yeah.
Slim down.
Yeah.
We thought that nigga was about to die.
Yeah, because Ozempic is
Him have to
dangerous.
forward back quick.
Yeah.
Him have to bigs up back fast.
Cause the issue is that because it medically like suppresses your insulin, which allows you to like shed fat faster. Mm-hmm. But it doesn't shed it in a healthy looking way. It just kind of withers you away. So it gives you like a sickly look versus I was working out and lost the weight the right way. It looked like you're withering away because you kind of are.
No.
So it's always kind of better to do the work. But you still always kind of look like a bigs because you used to be a bigs.
Let me tell you have medium bigs.
Yeah.
So you see, for instance, when I'm on 600 pounds,
yeah,
him getting back to him regular size is probably 300, 350. No, dog. Like the slimmest you possibly could get is probably me.
How much you weigh right now?
Me weigh 190.
That's actually, yeah.
That's where you
right.
buck. That's where you buck.
You are absolutely correct there.
I can go down to like 160 right now.
Yeah. Yeah, because I feel like if you went to like 130, you'd look like you shrivel.
I would look like I'm about to die.
Yeah.
Me that look like it's over for me.
But nobody has to be a bigs though. There's like you don't.
Brother, some people carry around fat different than I just feel like some people born naturally for big, brother. I mean, one to them people that we don't even have them, we don't even grew up with them parents, but them parents big and then them are not big. What you say to me now? Who big them? Who big them?
Who does that happen to?
That I know so much bigs that I eat more food than.
Yeah, but you're
easily.
But you're more active.
Me know active bigs too. Me know bigs me used to play ball with. My brother when I go to school with, we do every single thing slim.
Yeah, but him probably.
But still big.
Yeah, but him probably. I'm sure them consume more.
Some man have to just regular big, my youth.
I mean, your metabolism is also important, right?
Brother, I know big man we can all dance.
Yeah. But them don't have to big, bro.
No, them half a big. Them can't no big.
It's literally your food intake. Your body shape might look better as a big person. You might be able to carry weight better, right? You might be proportioned better, but you don't have to big.
No, I'm going to debunk what you just said.
All right.
Watch it now. Mm-hmm. When a maga man eat one heap of food,
yeah,
he don't even get fat. His belly get big.
Yeah, but that is because he's not doing it over a prolonged period of time like a bigs.
No, man. We are talking about, you ever see the maga man there with them belly stiff in the shirt? Where I wear the shirt, then we just need to put on, like the man, them belly. Them, especially, the man about the Jamaican part of them, where we like, it's like the clothes, it don't matter if it fit you or not, it's designer. So I'm going to wear it. So my pants are got super tight.
It's a Gucci.
I wear a McQueen shoes. Mm-hmm. my pants are go below my body. And I go have on the extra small shirt and my belly
tight.
I go my belly big so. My belly big so.
That they don't be caring. They don't. Them have the little crossbody bag.
Oh Jesus Christ!
The crossbody bag, bro.
With the merce.
Yeah, man.
See that and put on the merce.
The merce with the shades. Can't tell me
You
nothing,
can't
dog.
tell me nothing, brother.
Nothing.
So
Night time.
So them is when me say, all right, them can get fat.
Yeah.
Because them can take off the belly there.
But here's the issue now. For them issue.
No food where you eat can make your toe fat.
What you mean?
Your toe can't put on weight.
Yes, your toe can.
No, your finger can't. Yes, you can put on weight, brother.
Yes, it can, bro.
Where you go? Where you go?
What do you mean where you go?
Brother, food go so.
Yes, but it also depends on what you eat. It depends on what you eat and what your diet is. So if you're there at the rum bar or drink beer all the time, you're going to get a beer belly.
Brother, you ever see all them people there with like the flab on?
Yeah.
With the little thing on them and like a wave?
Yeah, the
See it there?
yeah.
All right. I saw that fist there. I don't think it have a slim look.
Yeah, I mean, so here's the issue now. If I was never big, it would never be there. You see what I'm saying? It's there because I'm big. So no, because I've grown my whole life being a big person.
So you've lost weight?
Oh, 20, 50 pounds over my lifetime. You know,
50?
bro, big people lose weight all the time, you know. Big people lose weight more than slim people, you know. We just get it back. Every big person, you know, lose 100 pounds every year.
Because you're normal, brother. because you're normally big. So me I
Yeah,
say,
no, it's not just normally big. It's a diet of a lot of calories and not enough activity to offset the calories
so
all the time.
so what happened to the bigs them who play ball?
Them nyam no food.
Me have no food too.
Yeah, but them play. Okay, so you play ball with them. Here's the difference. You play ball with them, and them I use the ball game as this is my exercise for the
No,
week.
brother, me play, brother. One time me have a bigs where I keep. And the man a diver, fly
Yeah,
off a ball,
but
fit like a fiddle.
But here's the issue too. He's already a bigs.
Because him naturally big.
No.
Yes, my youth.
Being heavy though, it doesn't mean you're not fit, you know. You can still be active, you know. Me can still walk 7 miles right now, you know.
Brother, me know how bigs when I eat. That me know how bigs when I eat.
There's no way you know how bigs that don't eat, bro. You don't
eat. Him name bigs and him brother name bigger bigs. The two of them. Them man don't eat food, virgin.
Bro, there's no way you're a bigs and don't eat food.
Them a hide then. The man them not eat no bag of food, virgin.
Yeah, cause you know what? As a bigs, you hide and eat food sometimes. Big people don't like when you talk while them are like when you address that them are eat food.
So some big people hide and eat food.
Because we know you talk about the facts that we are eat food, because we might take it personally, even if you don't mean it personally.
But dog, I eat so much food.
Yeah, but you don't have the big stigma. The big stigma is a real thing, you know, bro. All right, me and your par. You fix a big plate of food, me fix my food. Yo, what? You don't want more food? In my head noise. So what you try to say? Because what? Me I pretend like say. Clearly, me's a big youth, so me feel eat more food than this. So that you say?
No, that is subconscious.
That is every big subconscious.
Bigs, any bigs watching this? Any bigs? I don't even. This just sound extremely problematic.
All the bigs near the big back brigade.
Big back people. Look, me not here to know. Yeah, me not discriminate or nothing. You know, I'm all for the big backs. Okay.
All I'm saying is, if we're being honest as bigs, there is no bigs that don't eat whole heap of food.
But you know, skinny people get pressured the same.
Absolutely.
Like
I be feeling bad for skinny people.
You see, if you're too skinny, yo, people sorry for you. Yo, when you're too skinny, people sorry for you, dog.
Yo, you man, eat up. You man, Eat up your food,
like
man.
eat your food.
Eat up your food, man. You see it too with that dung.
Brother, me know a brother so maga we call him man pencil.
Jaja. Yo, Jamaica's cold-blooded, you know, yo.
Yo, man is so maga we call him man pencil. We have another virgin. He used to be like the caretaker for our school. The man maga, yo, we call him man stick.
Jaja. Skinny people got through it. Skinny people got through it.
Yo, you know, maga, skinny people got through it more.
Yeah, so here's what I think. I think skinny people got through it in a way almost worse than big people.
Almost. Because the thing is, with big people, sometimes we're afraid.
Cause them big.
Yeah,
true. But here's the thing with big people. I think it's more socially acceptable to, like, big people are almost like used to it.
Big people soft still, you know. Most big people like soft.
Yeah,
When me hate,
what?
it's like the big man them, the big fat man them, were like, no, say, yeah, me can use my body weight to my advantage. Me can thump in your face.
And my thumb serious.
Like, me afraid of them one. Me hate them one. them one, the bully bigs them. Yo, me hate the bully bigs them because now you know exactly. Now you know.
no, I have to prove you.
Yeah, because you know I cannot fight you. My punch is doing nothing, and you are going to hold me and throw me far away.
So there's also the bully bigs them that is bluffing, you know.
Yeah, super soft.
Cause you have the bully bigs them that look like them could have potentially be strong, and there's nothing. There's no. You can't curl
Nothing.
20. Like,
You know what is super hilarious, right? And I need to know why.
What?
I need to know why.
What?
I've been seeing this all my life.
What?
Big people. No offense. Why are you guys sweating so much? Yo,
We're burning more calories.
Yo, dog, you there on a bigs? Uno just a sweat.
Yeah, man.
Like, yo,
Tired.
Uno just a sweat. Yo, you see how musical school at the man them in a khaki uniform?
Brother,
the man them, I say, yo, dog, you sweat somebody with, yo, calm down, dog, you know, that's serious.
we literally can't do nothing about it, bro.
Can't run from nothing. Yo, every child, like, yo, me there at school, fight broke out, where I run from everything. A Bigs has never run. A Bigs just continue to
try. Just, in Big's mind, him big enough to defend it, usually. You know what I mean? So I'm going to take my time to get away.
Man, just a walk off. With that road where I get trouble, everybody in my walk. Like he must say, yo, somebody, nobody now do me nothing.
Yeah,
you just take the wrong marker, man, to feel like, hey boy, you feel because you're big. You feel because you're big. Because me not have nothing with big people, you know.
Yeah.
You see, bigs, I don't really fear bigs like that. Me know how bigs can beat me up.
Yeah.
Me sure.
But tall people.
Tall people, me not like.
I think the most disrespectful adjective beside bigs in the Jamaican, zeitgeist. You see when them call you sour when you argue?
Yeah.
Yo, I always feel like those are fighting words.
You know
like
why we say sour though?
Why?
Because we not sweat so much, brother. We not sweat so much, brother, and not salt in our sweat, you know. Yeah, why do you think we say sour?
With your fat sour self.
Brother.
It's like, damn, bro.
You think that's sour, man? Brother, I'm never call you swati.
Oh, Lord.
What is even that?
What that mean? What
is swati?
It just sound like something of a punch.
Swati sound like, all right, me I go fix you now.
Yeah, man, who you call swati?
Because me don't know what it mean, you know. But me know it don't mean nothing good. You say me swati?
This fat sour swati self. Jaja.
The thing that, here with bigs. With bigs, Because we can utilize Maga man, you know?
Yeah.
We can utilize bigs. You see, our bigs, we utilize bigs with like, you see, if you want to play scrimmage football, keep.
Bigs is usually keeper or defender.
Yeah.
Bigs is very defense.
It's keeper.
Yeah.
That's why I'm saying it's still not as disrespectful. You see, a Maga man, you see, if you're Maga, we are use your put your through grill.
Yeah, man, you can't fit through this, bro.
Yo,
you're supposed to good.
Yo.
Nah, just slide
Anything
through
will
this.
happen. Yo, pencil, come in. Well, lift up pencil, we are push pencil head through, yes, sir.
But see, you know, the weird thing is that for a skinny person, I don't think it seems offensive to anybody but the skinny person.
Only the skinny person.
With the bigs, it's like, stop tease. Him can't help that. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
like, bigs get defense.
Like, people help. People help bigs, you know. Like, any big person, there is always somebody to their defense and say, yo, stop the foolishness.
But you know what?
I've never heard that
But that is part of the problem with being a bigs. That mess up the psychology of the bigs, you know. Hear the problem. And I know people not going to understand. Hear the problem. Especially, you see, with food, people be too polite to big people with food. Right? Because you go and see me and offer me extra food as a bigs, just assuming some want more food, which is offensive to me. Right? It feel like you diss me even though you're being polite and making an assumption
that you just want more food.
Yeah, like you're the bigger person. I assumed you'd want more food, and it's because we know that the bigger person part is like, yeah, you're the.
I know.
You obviously want more food.
I know what the funny part. You see a Maga man. Maga man, they might give them little bit of food because they might assume.
Him not eat enough.
So the man who the person that looks closest to starving.
Yeah, man, you give my wing and a little scoop of rice and Bigs clearly want
enough.
Bigs clearly want a quarter. And
Bigs are gonna get all of the food, and the little man will absolutely need it. Nah, get none.
You know the hurtful part as a big stuff. The maddening part is having that idea of, so yeah, so because I'm a big more want more food, and that other side of your brain when you do want the more food. You know what I mean?
Want the more food though.
Yeah, would I shell a second burger? Yes, I would. But why I say, true, my big would I shell a second burger? That's how you feel.
Brother, man, tell you, as big as people is, I don't think no regular bigs is eating more than an athlete.
No, not at all.
No
not
regular bigs.
I think the difference is though over time. I think over time, if you measure how much food a bigs eat versus how much food an athlete eat and measure the activity, if you got calories in, calories out, a bigs is winning.
Calories?
Yeah. Like
what is gonna eat? Why would I eat so much?
Foolishness. That's the issue, you know. You will eat, all right. Think about this now. You will eat 6 leg quarters, right? Clot them off in a day.
You eat six pieces of chicken.
Yeah, and be perfectly fine with that.
That's
right?
a lot of protein.
No, which is good because your body uses more calories burning protein, right? So you're actually having a higher metabolism because of the protein that you're intaking, right? Now, imagine after doing that, now you eat a whole bag of Lay's chips, and you look and is.
But I feel like, what is in Lay's?
Potato and oil. Not nutrients.
That not do nothing.
It doesn't nourish you. So what happens is you eat 17 of them and you're still hungry because you're snacking on that through the night. Just while you're watching TV or whatever. You clot a bag of chips. You clot a bag of chips with 16 servings before you realize what happened. And that bag is 1,200 calories, 1,800 calories.
So 1,800 calories are nothing.
Of nothing. You're still hungry. You don't eat nothing. You've got no protein. So now you have to actually eat something substantial.
But all right, means I'm gonna eat like 6 muffins, you know.
Yeah, but how often do you eat 6 muffins?
If 6 muffins in front of me.
But you don't buy 6 muffins every day.
No, but if I go to the supermarket and buy 6 muffins, it's a day.
Yeah, but you have people that clot in 6 muffins every day.
That's why so me a man, me will get upset with my girl if she like buy certain things. Because me not have the discipline.
So, me and my girl argue about that all the
Because me
time.
not have the discipline.
I tell her like, babes, listen, me's a big back. I'm not gonna
See it.
I'm not gonna, if me want it, there's nothing in my mind that going to stop me.
Because it's there.
It's there.
So don't make it be there.
Let me have to decide, all right, you know what? I feel for a burger. Do I feel like
A burger?
walking to the place?
You only eat one burger?
Usually, yeah.
I haven't had one burger in years.
So you normally eat 2, do you have fries and everything there?
Nah,
You do
man,
fries?
it's completely normal. 2 burger fries.
Really?
Completely normal. I've been doing this for years. Yeah, 2 box food. I always buy like
Yeah, me I talked to you the other day. You can't have 2 box food, rice and peas and everything.
yeah, that's how me eat food. 2. It have to be in 2s.
Okay, so
Like 2 large lunch, 2 zinger, 2 patty.
I mean 2 patty not.
When me say 2 patty, me I talk about. So say me I eat patty. So 2 patty mean 4 patty. So me mean. So no, I mean 4 patty because 2 patty one time.
Okay.
So it's really 4.
Okay. That's kind of crazy.
Yeah.
But you're very active.
And
though.
then me get up and me still start run up on them because me I say yo.
Yeah, then you burn off all of
But
that.
yo, me can't understand what it though.
Wow.
Carbs. Carbs is a source of energy. Oh, me not see when I run up and down and brother, when me eat them things, I'm ready for take on the world, you know.
I mean, we should. But usually, all right. So I feel like if you have carbs late at night, you don't have any real way to expel them because you're already low on energy from being awake all day.
You know what I learned?
Wow.
So you see late at night, because I'm a big back. So late night, if me I go eat like something unhealthy, me eat like 12 chicken wings, like 12 piece of wings,
Yeah.
15 wings, 20
Okay.
piece wings.
But you see, I feel
No
like you
carb.
still have a lot of protein
Yeah.
stuff.
Yeah, so if when me a big back at night,
Yeah.
the big back can't consist of carbs.
Okay.
The big back I go just be like me I go fry. Like if me cook 5 pound of chicken, you know, 5 pound of chicken for me is a day and a half. Because how me work is some buy like a tray thing of chicken,
Yeah.
so me curry it.
Yeah.
Me eat 1 plate like about 2 o'clock. Then me eat another one round 5. And then by lunchtime the next day it done.
Okay.
So me normally only get 3. No matter how much chicken me cook,
You're not gonna get 3 plates.
a 3 plate me normally get. Because me a man we cook like thighs, like chicken thigh and everything there. Me have to eat 4 of them. So like say me have breasts.
Yeah.
Me have 4 breasts. Me just
4 chicken breasts. Crazy.
me heavy up and I'm when me say them thing and people think I joke until them know me.
Yeah.
Until them know me, them say, oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, like by salmon.
I know that you're very serious right
Yeah,
now.
salmon, me can't eat 1 slice of salmon. You know. It me have to eat 2 slices of salmon. 1?
This is not gonna work.
What?
So you clotted.
I'm gonna die.
You clotted 1.5 pounds of salmon.
If me I eat
Immediately.
salmon, me need 2 slice.
But see, here's the thing now. Because you've been all right. If you were to not be as active as you normally are for like a month,
I would be fat.
you'd be a big immediately.
But I don't think for a
big.
month though, not for a month.
How long you think?
It will take me a little longer than that. The problem with me now, me can't focus. Once I am focused, I will never eat. So, say me have a task.
Yeah.
Until me done that task, me not, food to me is a reward of hard work.
Yeah.
Me not think a man deserve food. You don't deserve food. You have to work for food.
Right.
When I wake up in the morning, me not eat nothing. You have to do something first.
Then you achieve the food.
Me have to do something for pay off myself. Me I go down at the gym, me I answer email, me I go up on a call, me I do something.
Yeah.
And then me reward myself with food.
Okay.
Like me not eat nothing from morning.
Okay.
When this done, me I go play a ball. So you see like 10:30 tonight.
Then you feel like, okay, I did all of this today.
7 pieces of chicken.
Fair. No, most bigs don't live like that. You know what I'm saying? So, all right. Since I've been doing my walks, right? That is how I feel like. I feel like, yo, just walk 4 miles. I'm clotting all the chicken that I wanted.
So you can reward yourself.
Right? But you see when you have the food just there, one bad decision lead to another bad decision lead to. It's easy to backslide, you know.
So yeah, because you start telling yourself, that, I one day.
You see, me do it tomorrow, brother. Don't brother, you see, I me do it tomorrow. Once you set a time in the future, that done, you know. That done.
That's
yeah,
why
man, me start my diet on Monday.
That's why I'm gonna put certain things around me. Like, me not go supermarket and buy ice cream. Because the whole ice cream is going to finish one time.
So,
me not buy Snickers.
okay.
Me not buy M&M. You see them big pack of M&M there?
Yeah.
One go.
So I start buying, whenever I get those things, I will spend more for the smaller thing now. I'll be like, all right, been feeling for ice cream. Are you willing to pay $5 for the small tub of ice cream? That's just like 3 servings. Or do you want to get, bro, it's $5. You can get a pint, you know. You can get a pint for the same $5. And it's like, yeah, but do I trust me around a pint? Or do I trust me around a quarter ice cream? I'm clotting it.
Tell me if this is bad. My girl will like carry like fruit cake. Like our grandmother will make a fruit cake for me. A whole fruit cake.
Yeah.
Jamaican fruit cake.
Yeah.
One go.
Just clotted.
Is that insane to you? One go, you know, with milk. One go. And it made me so upset because me no have the control over it. I'm a very conscious of it because diabetic people in my family.
Okay.
So me hate when, oh, look what I got for you, some cheesecake. Don't give me a whole cheesecake. Cause it are done today.
I have no self-control.
Me no have no, I mean even shame.
Yeah.
Me get vexed too. Bridget, me not tell you something, I eat no sweets.
Why you that do this?
And then me start literally cut my slices. But then, no more want drink a gallon of water.
Yeah,
right now.
Sweets, balance out everything. Yeah.
Give me a gallon of water right now. Me have to turn that to me, brother.
Yeah. I mean, it's good for know what your limitations
what your limit
are.
is.
You know what I mean?
And
that is what I realized too. It's like, I'm not fussy. If I don't have it, I will make what I have work.
And that is what me did now.
It's like, all right. Me make some tea. I feel for something sweet, me make some tea. Me have honey, me have like and if me can't satisfy, then I will make the journey.
Yo, you know what crazy?
But it have to work the journey.
You know what crazy?
What?
When you read labels, like juice or something, and you see the sugar content.
It crazy, you know, dog?
Brother, I used to believe like when me share out sugar,
Yeah.
me used to feel like, oh no, Dale, you're doing too much. When me start see the sugar content in a juice, certain things, like more than half I like the cup, me I say, oh, my little 2 scoop, good.
So the
It actually better you scoop it yourself.
the worst thing you get in like a combo, you know, is the soda, you know. Like you get a chicken sandwich and a fries and a soda. The soda is dangerous, you
The
know.
soda have way more sugar content than
Brother. Like you look at like a cup of orange juice and you look on it, it's like 78% of your daily amount of sugar
where you're supposed to eat.
we're supposed to have in the whole day.
And it'll tell you, say, yo, this is 78%.
in one serving.
That's why I drink water so often, brother.
Yeah.
I for one, this is just me, brother. I will mash up a whole plate of food that's on beer food, and then me start fret, and then me believe like water solve everything. Like so, yo, me will eat, brother. Me will sit down and eat 2 pack of M&M.
Yeah.
Me will
And
eat
then feel
beer
like the
M&M,
water
brother. Me will
balance
just
it out.
eat M&M from now till the morning, and then just start drink water.
I feel like say, yeah, man, that's going to balance out
And
all
then
the
just believe,
candy.
say, yo,
You know, that's supposed to good. No.
the water supposed to help everything.
I mean, the thing is, because, as I said, the biggest factor is that you're an active person, and that you've been an active person.
And that.
Because the minute you stop burning all of them calories, there, go start add on, and then
Oh no,
you could be a big.
I've seen it happen. I've seen it happen multiple times where me stop the something
Yeah.
and like me see the potential.
You're like, okay, that's how that would look.
Wow.
Yeah.
But the thing is, it also feels unnatural to not work out.
Yeah. I mean, you've had a routine for
Years.
so it would be weird now.
So even when it does feel unnatural when we just not do nothing.
Yeah.
So maybe me get well with that because me have to find a way for do something make me feel like better.
Yeah, I mean it's good that the activity that you do, or that you're in a mindset where it's like you enjoy doing those things.
Yeah.
But a lot of bigs don't have that, you know.
So that me always big people. Sorry, big people. You never yet like a watch, like somebody a run or skip or play and be like, wow, I want to do that.
Bro, I'm gonna tell you, say, I true my start do my walks them and see my sister burn 300 calories and thought she's more fuel efficient than I am. How?
Yes.
It's a different life. And have different access to different clothes. We can do different activities. Isn't it? Bro, as a big person, you're afraid of anything where require stability, you know.
What do you mean, like balance?
Anything that requires balance, like, you are probably more confident to stand on this table than I am.
Yeah, because you're just afraid say your weight broke it.
We feel like that for everything. For everything. No, I'm not like all that plastic chair. Yeah, I'm not really. What the weight limit?
I think you're afraid for fall
Absolutely.
because it's harder for them to get up.
Not only harder for it to get up, there's more shame associated to our falling. Big people afraid of enough things, you know, bro. Just existing, you know. Like, you know. All right, but can I tell you some things big people afraid of? Big people don't like eating in public.
Yeah.
Big people don't like smelling bad.
Okay.
They don't like it because you're already big. You see me? So big people usually like colognes and perfumes and things like that. Love a fragrance.
Yeah.
Right? We don't like anything where it's like, this no make out of some reinforced, strong,
You know, like no stool when with plastic.
no plastic stool, no plastic chair. If the folding chair no feel like it,
Yo, you know what you just said? You know you're right. You know them chair there where it's like it's still like this, and then the
and
seat.
then you fold it out.
No, so it's like bam, 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 but there is no support underneath that part here. Brother, I just remember how my little brother looked on it like him. I said, no, you know. Me not trust that one. Me see him walk over Twitter like him and push it down
Brother,
to see if it's sturdy.
You see, if as a bigs, if you sit in a chair and it lean back too far, that's not a like it don't have the stability back here.
For whole.
You're not doing that. You know what I mean? We're not doing that at all.
What else is afraid of?
Yeah, if it's not stable, we don't like eating in public. We don't like small vehicles. Like we'll ride with somebody. We don't want to be the person where you see me? Cause now as a big
Kind of feel like a your fault.
don't make your
So they prefer front seat.
front seat but here's the issue too. It all depends, because wherever you are, you're the reason the car sink.
I've seen it.
Yeah, you're always the reason the car is sinking, even if it's not really your fault. The reason
Carry
the
a
car is
bigs
sinking.
already and mash up the whole of my front shocks.
You know what I mean?
One
It's like,
patrol, bust all my tire.
it's like, see, yeah, man, bro, you need to work on that, And now it's you. Now it's you and your lifestyle ruin my car. You see what I'm saying?
No, my ball giant, mash up.
Because of you. You see me? It's like, as a bigs, there's a lot of ways you have to navigate life. We can't do anything where it's like ladders? No. Anything where like climbing anything? Stairs? Your stairs not sturdy?
I know I hate theme parks though. Cause I don't want to make sure it's on the way.
The weight limit.
That's
You know
rough.
what I mean? Them have a weight limit for it if it can't click on the thing. For the super bigs, them, the planes.
Oh
You know the planes,
God.
bro.
I think, all right, I'm just gonna be honest. I think that is the only time when me can feel the inconvenience of a bigs. Like, all right, yo, people, me not nothing against nobody we big. But just the inconvenience of, because me can't fly first class, Bridget.
Yeah.
A bigs in a middle seat is correct.
Oh, diabolical. You know what?
Like, being in the middle seat,
But feel like as a bigs, you should know. If you have a choice, you should never pick the middle seat.
yeah, but some of the time, me could have tell. And you know what the crazy thing is? This was a girl, and I could see that she felt a certain type of way about it.
Yeah.
And because me not vex her, I just said, damn. It's like me did feel like bad for her.
Yeah. Because here's the crazy thing. That's 2 tickets in a dog.
Bro, she in a me, brother. Our whole, the little miggle thing?
Yeah.
Mercy upon it. Brother, brother, I saw me on the flight, brother. Somebody on the flight. And the whole time I look at her, it's like she pray to God, say, yo,
That's no say nothing.
don't use the bathroom. don't say you want to use the
I
bathroom.
forgot. Cause as a bigs, especially bigs on the plane, you have to get up. You're not pulling off one of these.
You can't turn
You know what I mean? You're not pulling off one of these, bro. You have to get up.
You have to, and guess what too? You have to go all the way out of the plane because you can't turn sideways on the hallway either. You have to walk to the bathroom with me.
Fully.
You have to go around the back part of the plane where everybody there.
No, you might as well wait because you go do all of that
Might
again.
as well you use the bathroom too.
Jaja, bro, it's a rough life.
Damn.
It's a rough life, bro. You charge double for do that.
Life of a bigs.
You know? I mean, it's bad decisions after bad decisions, you know?
Me not like the sad bigs them, bro. Me can't bother with the sad bigs them, yeah, man. If you
There's a lot of sad bigs.
sad bigs do not annoy me because we not take it so, that serious. Maybe me.
Yeah.
I am not. Me not problematic with like if you're big, you're just big. Me not really care how you're big, why you're big, you're just big.
Yeah.
If me and your friend, oh Lord, I'm roasting you. But if we're not, me not trouble, you know do me nothing.
No. I think for a lot of bigs it's the the being big is a symptom of the sadness.
Expound.
For a lot of bigs, the food is a coping situation.
So to eat to feel better.
Yeah, food is drugs, you know. Food is drugs like anything else, you know. You eat it and you have a chemical change in your brain. So when you're eating sugar, carbs, all of them things, that the energy gives you a dopamine hit, and the textures are different foods, the crunch give you a different feel from every, you know what I mean? It's like...
So it's like, so you tell me now, so a bite of chicken for you is like a sniff of meth.
Not like a sniff of meth.
Cocaine then.
All right. Pre this. I could be perfectly fine right now, right?
Mm-hmm.
And you could have a plate of fried chicken in front of me right now, and I would be lying if I said I did not want a bite of the fried chicken.
Well, that's normal. That's like
normal.
you, man.
All right. But for a bigs, right? For a bigs.
It's more? It's harder?
I don't know if it's harder. I don't know how it feels for, you know, from your perspective as a slim person.
Mm-hmm.
But for bigs, when you get, there are a lot of people that like them get sad and them use food as their coping thing.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Instead of drinking or smoking,
some people
them
eat
yam
food.
food.
Yeah.
Right? And they use that as their, like, you know, their, what do you call it now?
To make them
Their
feel better.
vice, you know? So it's actually a symptom of the sadness. Because if you cared about yourself more, you would care about yourself more.
Mm-hmm.
And you wouldn't do that to yourself, but you just want to feel better, so you do something to make yourself feel better right now.
Right now.
Yeah. Which would be food.
But it can be, so that time, so like, enough of the man, them were like, I eat like 7 boxes of Domino's pizza where we weigh 700 pounds.
Yeah.
And they know they're killing themselves.
Mm-hmm.
Them have to continue to eat to feel better.
So they don't have to continue to eat to feel better, but that is what they decide. It's not a healthy decision.
Yeah. Remember one day I had trouble, like my brother say, yo, him eat too much, and the man say, yo, like me, I say, dog, so just stop eat. Man say, brother, eat not that eat. like the man already for set to me like, yo, you think it's that easy? You think we can just stop something? I say, yeah, just, if you feel like you eat too much, just, why not just stop? You hear say, yeah, kill yourself. Like we hear say, yo, you are too big now and you have health issues. Stop now. You don't care? He's like, bro, it's not that easy. I said, what do you mean? Just eat 1 chicken instead of 5.
So here's the thing. You see, when you give yourself excuses, bro, because that's just really the thing, you know. You're sad, and emotions is a powerful thing, you know, bro. Once you're in it, you don't want to leave the emotion either, you know.
Brother, I never yet feel sad and eat food.
Because that's not how you cope with that.
Yeah.
For some people, it is. You know, for some people, it could have been instilled, you know. It could have been something where you were a child trying to express some kind of grief, and instead of being heard, you were given food.
Okay, shut up.
And no, that is your coping mechanism for everything. You're sad and people not hearing you, you eat some food and just go into your corner and try to feel better.
True.
But you could do other things. You know, there's other things you can do. You can do things that you actually enjoy outside of just eating food. But eating food is so much easier. And there's so many options for food.
Boy, it's like you turn on your appetite. Like, no, you think about food. Let me see it.
I'm saying how easy it is to be a bigs when you justify it in your head.
True.
You know, because like, dog, you think it's easy for stop eat food? It kind of is. It's like
stop eat.
You just stop eating. But when I'm sad and there's a pizza in front of me,
I'm having
the pizza. And you know what's crazier? I have the power to get 50 more right now without, I don't even have to talk to nobody.
No, me don't even have to drive. Uber Eats carrot come right at my door.
I don't have to leave for nothing. So one time
How
the
you make
walk,
money? But you have to make money though. So
you have to make money. So, you know, maybe you have a little job or something, but that job not providing you happiness.
No, you can't work remote. You don't even need. You can be a bigs and just.
So no, use extra bigs.
Damn. Boy, big people. So, hey, this is a safe space for you guys, you know. So don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. This hat fit all sizes of head. You know, depends.
Yeah.
Depends on what size head you have. You know?
I don't know if brother.
I don't know if it can fit your head.
You need a beanie. You need a son of an immigrant beanie.
Son of a beanie.
Yeah. You need you need the daughter of my immigrant
Yeah,
shirts.
man, I get them, man. I get them. The thing is, if you start to that, I put myself in a trouble because it's like so much for buy son and daughter.
Yeah. True.
And the thing is the name of the tour.
Yeah, true.
So
true.
that people is the name of the tour. It's not my lord.
It's not just a random merch.
Yeah, it's just you buy the tour merch. so one daughter of an immigrant. Damn, man. What do you want from me? No. Hey, people. Make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. We're out of here.
Yes.